Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel! For today's video guys, isi-share ko sa inyo yung 100 vlog ideas na siguradong makakatulong sa inyo kung naubusan kayo ng paksa o gusto nyong magsimula pa lang mag-vlog. Simulan na natin guys! Number 1 guys, realistic unfiltered morning routine. Number 2, a full day in my life. Number 3, evening wind down and relaxation. 4, Sunday reset clean plan prep. 5, what I eat in a day. No diet rules. 6, small bedroom room makeover and tour. 7, full house or apartment tour. 8, how I stay productive production all day. 9, my daily commute experience. 10, lazy day versus super busy day. 11, waking up at 5 a.m. challenge. 12, waking up at noon. Now my day changes. 13, deep cleaning session. 14, what's in my bag, school bag, work bag. 15, my phone tour, layout apps settings. 16, how I organize my closet. 17, nighttime skincare and hygiene routine. 18, my weekend routine, rest versus routine. 19, 24 hours with me, no cats. 20, how I plan my week ahead. 21, simple habits that save me time. 22, my laundry routine and hacks. 23, setting up my workspace study area. 24, I beat afternoon slumps. 25, the things I do before bed. 26, day in the life as a student or employee. 27, my morning drink routine. 28, how I manage my time without burning out. 29, organizing my desk, drawers, and cabinets. 30, things I do every day without feel. 31, rainy day routine in the Philippines. 32, hot weather survival routine. 33, my favorite time of day and why. 34, how I get ready and 10, 20, and 30 minutes. 35, my daily water intake challenge. 36, things I stopped doing to save time. 37, typical holiday weekend at home. 38, how I organize my schedule on paper and apps. 39, little changes that improve my daily life. 40, end of month reflection and receipt. 41, trying street food in Batangas. 42, cooking Batangas style lomi bulalo. 43, budget meals under 100 and 200. 44, palengke tour, buying fresh ingredients. 45, what I bought at the wet and dry market. 46. Trying local kakanin rice cakes. 47. Grocery shopping on a tight budget. 48. Meal prep for 3 to 5 days. 49. My favorite chip eats near me. 50. Cave and restaurant reviews and Batangas. 51. Cooking with only 5 ingredients. 52. Baking attempt wins and feels. 53. Eating only street food for 24 hours. 54. Healthy meals versus comfort food day. 55. Making my favorite Filipino merienda. 56. Milk tea and cold drinks taste test. 57. Growing herbs, veggies for my meals. 58. Trying weird food combinations. 59. Food challenge. Finish a big serving. 60. Traditional Filipino family dinner. 61. How to save money on groceries. 62. Making homemade snacks from scratch. 63. Trying regional dishes from other provinces. 64. Breakfast ideas for busy morning. 65. Lunch box ideas for school and work. 66. Late night snack haul and taste test. 67. Cooking using only pantry stop less. 68. Comparing cheap versus expensive food. 69. Street food versus restaurant version. 70. How I restore food to make it last longer. 71. Easy recipes for beginners. 72. Eating like a local for a day. 73. Food trip around my hometown. 74. My go-to drinks in hot weather. 75. Homemade versus store-bought food test. 76. Visiting a bakery and trying everything. 77. Budget-friendly party foods ideas. 78. How I plan my weekly meals. 79. Spice and ingredients I can't cook without. 80. Cooking with my family and friends. 81. Hidden gems and Batangas. 82. Day trip to Taal Volcano and Taal Lake. 83. Beach visit Laia, Nasugbu, Calatagan. 84. Mountain hiking nature trails nearby. 85. Exploring old churches and historical sites. 86. Road trip to neighboring towns. 87. Island hopping adventure. 88. Free ship places to visit in my area. 89. Local festival fiesta experience. 90. Public transport travel guide. 91. Solo travel how I do it safely. 92. Best photo spots around my province. 93. Camping or overnight outdoor trip. 94. Visiting heritage houses and landmarks. 95. Budget travel tips for students. 96. Packing less for short trips. 97. Off the beaten path places most miss. 98. Travel mishaps and funny stories. 99. What to pack for beach mountain tips. 100. Comparing tourist spots then ask how. So yun guys lang. Dito na po nagtatapos ang video na to. Salamat po sa panonood. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.